Introducing the 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan Highline 2.0 TDI, a sleek and powerful SUV that is sure to turn heads on the road. This stunning white estate yacht Jeep is packed with features to ensure a comfortable and safe driving experience. From air conditioning and cruise control to satellite navigation and Android Auto CarPlay, this vehicle has it all. Not only does the Tiguan Highline offer luxurious amenities, but it also prioritizes safety with multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. The chrome package, privacy glass, and roof rails add a touch of style to this already impressive vehicle. Rest assured, this Tiguan has undergone a full, multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a top-of-the-line SUV. Call us or visit our website, michaelmoore.ie, for more information.